how to get PayPal hold balance sooner. So if you want to get your PayPal hold balance sooner, then just follow the steps. So first you need to log into your PayPal account. And if you're using your personal account, then you can simply go with know your options under your PayPal balance to see if you can help release your payments on hold. Or if you're using business account, then you can simply go with the money page to see if you can help release your payments on hold. So the process is simple and same, but you need to go with know your options under your personal and money page on your business. So once you've done tapping on know your options, you may be able to release eligible payments by following one of the below steps. First is add tracking. Use one of the approved shipping carriers and PayPal will release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. If that doesn't fix, then you can go with the second, which is update the order status. If the held payment is for a service or intangible item like, for example, piano, lessons, ebooks, and etc., then PayPal will release the hold 7 days after you confirm the order status as completed. But if that doesn't fix, then you can go with the third option, which is print shipping labels. So PayPal will track the item and release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. But in rare cases, after these steps are completed, PayPal need to hold the payment for up to 21 days. For example, this can happen if PayPal noticed an unusual change in the selling patterns. In this way, you'll be able to release your payments on hold on your PayPal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.